Hello, in this video I will show you how to install a Firefox browser on OnePlus Pad 2 Pro. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Firefox and click search. Then select this application and click install. Now you can click open and then click continue, and here you can choose your default browser, or you can just click cancel, and now you can add Firefox widget, or you can click not now. Here you can sign into your Firefox account, or you can click not now. Now you can turn notifications, or you can click not now, and you can select your theme, or you can click save and continue, and lastly you can pick your toolbar placement, or you can click save and continue again. And as you can see, my Firefox browser is now installed and is ready to use. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.